Hey y'all, this is the Burrito King. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do something with my new burrito station and everything. So I'm gonna give you guys a little brief of what's going on so you can see it. Who knows, you might want to do it too. So let's go ahead and do it like this. Okay, so this is the station. So we have our rice, we have our black beans, tomatoes, uh, then we have our roasted corn, lettuce, and cheese, chicken, refried bean, guacamole, and sour cream. And to top it off, we always add a little secret sauce, which is some salsa. Now this is my little steamer that I got set up. So I go ahead, put the burrito in here, let it get steamed. That way it's not so brittle. So I have some water that steams it and everything to make it a little more flexible so it don't just tear. Okay, you don't need to leave it in that long, probably about 30-40 seconds. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. You notice I got a glove because it's hot in here. So I'll pull this out. And yeah, see how limbo it is now? Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put that sour cream, my station over here. Grab one of the spatulas, special made for the sour cream. You know, they say you can't make a good burrito unless you got the tools to make it. So I had to go buy me some tools to make a good burrito. So here we go. All right, that's that. Okay, where those beans at? Ah, there they go. Oh, no, we're gonna try some refried beans now. So we take this. There. Okay, so we did the refried beans instead of black bean. Now we're gonna go ahead and get those black beans out. Okay. Black beans can come out. I just kind of put them in the middle. Back over there. And we're going to go ahead do a little rice. Now, see, the point is that you don't want to get too much rice because all you be tasting is rice. It means you have to compensate by putting extra something else. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to put a little extra meat to counter that rice. We got plenty of meat. And you have a good burrito if you ain't got no meat. A little bit more. If I need to, I'll just cook some more. Okay. Plenty of meat. Okay. And then after that, we go ahead, we'll throw some lettuce. Sprinkle a little roasted corn on there. It's something new. We'll see what it does. Okay. Then do a little tomatoes. Okay, we need another spoon. I like a lot of tomatoes on mine. Some people don't, but tomatoes give that juicy taste. Okay, put that up. And okay, sprinkle a few onions on there. Let's see what else we got here. Lettuce. Gotta have cheese. But before I do these, I need to put a little guac on there. Just got this from the store, so sealed tight. Oh, when I say tight, I mean never open up. Okay. Yeah. Some guac.
Didn't just set the standard for the category, it created it. And now the 2023 model offers a bold new vision, design, technology, and performance.
Right.
To two of the class-leading features of the
Get the onions.
says Alexa, tell me about the new Lexus. That's Alexa, tell me about the new Lexus.
Okay. Okay. Then, final thing is that cheese. Yeah, that's a big burrito. Y'all getting all of this? Timing went off. Yeah, look at all that stuff. I mean, that's a lot of stuff. I mean, everything you can think of is on there. Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. So first thing we do is we take these corners. Yeah. See this nice and flexible, so when I start folding it up, oh, that one came out pretty good. Good. Roll it super tight. Oh yeah, that one came out really right into that puppy, huh? And that's it. All right, y'all. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's it. That's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Talk to y'all later. Okay, Martin asked me to go ahead and do a super burrito. Well, Martin, here it is. There you go. How that look? Look at that melted cheese and salsa and rice and chicken. And there's extra salsa for the chips. I did it, Mark. You asked for it, and I did it. Oh, I forgot to say, you guys knows that I clean my mess up. Everything is all clean. My chopping board, everything is ready. You know, you gotta make sure everything is clean when you get through. So that's it, y'all. Hope y'all had a nice viewing.